Semiconductor， 我们来看一下这一道题，还是一样，我们先给大家30秒到40秒的时间，把这段话呢先读一遍，大家可以把视频先暂停一下。好，我们来看一下第一部分 ，The semiconductor industry， 不要读成了 industry，OK，industry 重音在前面。The semiconductor industry has been able to improve the performance of the performance of electric systems for more than 4 decades by making ever smaller devices. 第一句话很长，我们在哪里断句呢？单词都很简单，发音也比较清楚。OK， 没有哪个地方是我们需要特别注意要连读的。基本上每个单词呢，还是比较容易把它读对的。我们来看一下在哪里断句。The semiconductor industry, has been able to improve the performance of electric systems for more than 400 decades. 很多同学会在这里断一下 has 前面 ，OK， 这里呢你是可以有一个 tiny pause， 在 system 后面呢你也可以有一个 tiny pause。我们来试一下这个断句的方式。The semiconductor industry has been able to improve the performance of electric systems for more than 4 decades by making ever smaller devices. 没有问题。有的同学呢可能觉得在这个 by 前面断句这一块呢就不断了，在这个呢取消。我们来试一下。The semiconductor industry has been able to improve the performance of electric systems for more than 4 decades by making ever smaller devices. 这个呢就有一点点的吃力，对不对？所以我们断句的时候呢，我们要看清楚。有的时候呢，一口气读下来，如果能一口气读下来，当然是最好的。但如果影响到你这个整个的一个这个呼吸，对不对？你的气要是不足的话，那肯定你读出来呢不是很好听。All right， 当然我们的这个方法要正确。无论怎么样呢，我们是尽量去少断 ，OK， 不要断的太多。看第二部分 ，However, this approach will soon encounter both scientific and technical limits. Scientific and technical limits， 这个 K 呢非常快 ，OK， 非常迅速。Which is why the industry is exploring a number of alternative device technologies. Number of 这里 ，OK，a number of 是一起的 ，a number of alternative device technologies 不是 a number of alternative device， 这是错了，这里千万不可以有任何的停顿。All right， 我们连起来读一下，还是比较简单的，对不对？The semiconductor industry has been able to improve the performance of electric systems for more than 4 decades by making ever smaller devices. However, this approach will soon encounter both scientific and technical limits, which is why the industry is exploring a number of alternative device technologies. All right, thank you guys.